this reel, let's talk about how the initial number of double crochets can differ your motif size. For this, I have used a local cotton thread. You can see how thin this is, and I have used 1.1 mm hook. All of the three are made with the same thread and with the same hook size, and yet you can see very minuscule differences in the size. Now this is how it matters, because if you're doing it and if you change the number of stitches, obviously your project is going to be a little lopsided. But this again is a brilliant way of keeping the motif same, but if you're trying to create a shape in the garment. So what you can see here is this is initial 12, this is an initial 16, and this is an initial 20. So with the 12 I have the smallest one, and with the 20 I have the biggest one. Of course you can keep increasing and decreasing. Now another thing is when you do the initial one, how do you find how many clusters or how many groups of double crochets are you going to have in between the two corners? So what you do is you take the initial number of the double crochets here in the center. For this it's 20, you minus 4 for the 4 corners, you're left off with 16 numbers, and now you divide that 16 divided by 4, because you've got 4 sides, because this is a granny square. Okay, so 16 divided by 4, you get 4, and you see that between the two corners you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get groups of 4 of these. Same ways, if you look at this, which is 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4 gives you an 8, and if you divide it by 4 you get 2. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and you get 2 of these 3 double crochets in between the two corners, right? So this is how it changes, and this is how you can use it to shape your garments, to make it more it's going to be a way of how you shape your patterns. Hope this helps, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.